Okay, welcome back. More coronavirus. In Kansas now. Well, we're like halfway there. Something like. Actually, I think we're less than halfway. All right.
There's the mystery machine.
Okay, yeah. You went to visit the zoo. While visiting the zoo, you lost your keys. Okay.
Oh my god, there's a fucking thing to find a credit card. To steal somebody's fucking credit card.
Okay, well, I see yellow, blue, green, red right after that. Admission is 1975.
Literally have to steal somebody's fucking credit card. Pickpocket. Oh, found a clothes hanger. You probably used that to steal from
Where?
under one of the cars. Yeah, I think in the van.
Oh, hang on. Where is the?
Oh, I found my debit card.
Yeah, where the fuck did you? I'm looking at the fucking thing. Oh, I see. I found it. It was on the sidewalk. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So now we're in the van. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Found your debit card. Okay.
1975.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, my pin. Okay, so that's yellow, blue, green, red. So that'd be 8, 4, 6, 9. No, that worked.
How?
8, 4, 6, 9.
8, 4, 6, 9. Oh.
Yeah, and that's $20, just enough. You get a quarter as change. So now we're in. Jesus Christ. Zebras like to eat treats.
Oh no, let's go get aquatic.
Says the lions like to sleep. Okay, well here's a thing that's like a.
I mean, move the tarp and there's.
Need a quarter. Oh, perfect. Took the animal treats. Says monkeys like to hide. Oh God, he came out with the key. Okay, silver key. Does that get me into the aquatic zone? It does. Bro, it's the same shelf from the other one that we thought was a hint. They think $24.99 minus $6.75. So that's just gonna be what, something 24. That's gonna be $18.24. Okay, let's go and do that real quick. 18.24. Yep. Gold key.
What else is aquatics?
Well, you can get the bucket of chum again for the penguin.
What?
Goes into the cave, comes out with my keys. Wait, is that just the end? It is.
What, do you want to get eaten by a fucking lion?
I don't know. Okay, well we're out of Kansas now.
Does Kansas have a zoo, or are they just like not thinking of anything?
I don't know. It's Kentucky time.
Oh, God. Justin Beach.
We've been in the beautiful state of Kentucky. All right, tent is locked. Okay, see. Hang on. Okay, wait.
Oh, I found some berries.
Okay, I found a blackberry. Case is bolted shut. Oh, this cave is closed. I will let you in if you bring me blackberries. Oh, it's Mammoth Caves. Don't eat the waffles there. They're bad. Oh shit, you're ahead of me. Where did you find them? Hang on, what?
Go by the fucking Mammoth Cave National Park.
Uh-huh. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, fuck. We need colors now?
I see red, blue, yellow. Oh, blue, green, red, blue, yellow.
Blue, green, red, blue, yellow?
Yeah, let me just... Jesus Christ, that horse! So blue, green, red, blue, yellow. Is that for the tent? Oh, yeah. Blue, green, red... Ah, blue. I did.
Ah!
Yeah, I knew it would get you.
What the fuck?
Put him in the feeder, it moves, you get a pitchfork. I guess you use that on this. Yeah, that gives you the berry. What do we want? Okay, and now we're in Mammoth Caves.
Wait, where'd you get the last berry?
There's some leaves on the starting screen that you have to click in a certain order. No, it's like you zoom in on the bush and they're numbered, and the numbers go away when you click them. By the way, Mammoth Caves does not have a fucking reception area in the cave. I've been there.
Oh, what the fuck is this? There's like a directional puzzle.
Oh God, what is?
Oh, there's a hole. There's
Yeah, I see that shit.
big hole. You gave him. Bro, that's directional.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see. So it's the fucking things on the ground. So it's like, okay, so the most lowermost one is like up, left. So it goes up, left, down, right, down, left, up. Or is it that's the smallest? So it's up, left, down, right, down, left, up. Nope, hang on. No, it's up, left, down, right. Oh wait, hang on. It's just like weird, I think. Because there's like multiple things here.
I got it.
What is it?
It's I don't know how else to describe it. You need these to like.
Yeah.
Like that and that. That one's gonna be lower, maybe.
All right, yeah, that would make sense.
Like that.
Yeah, okay. Now we got the wrench. Where the fuck do we need a wrench?
Beats the actual fuck out of me.
Oh, on the top, on the fucking case on the top, the one that's bolted shut. That's how you get the key, and then you escape, I guess. Yep, escape Kentucky.
Yeah.
Now into Louisiana.
Oh, Dude, why does this one look so much more decrepit than the other?
You went to Louisiana because we're visiting our aunt.
Oh god.
Okay.
The same place as fucking California.
I don't know, man. Okay, well, I see fucking star, circle, rhombus, square, circle again.
I can help you get home, but I need 3 crawfish first. I'll let you borrow my boat if you give me some ice cream.
Okay, hang on.
Not a crawfish.
What? Where the fuck did you find a crawfish?
I went like down.
Oh, okay.
What was the pattern?
Hang on, I need to fucking figure shit out. Okay, so it was like star. Let me just go back and find it.
Rhombus, square, circle.
Yeah, star, circle, rhombus, square, circle. Oh, there's. Okay, yeah, hang on. Star, circle, rhombus, square, circle. Gets you a net. Okay. That's scary. Do we capture the kid?
Oh god. There's a crawfish in it.
Yeah, I see that.
You're in like the decrepit zone.
Yeah.
This was terrifying.
Okay, go into the ice cream store. Is there anything in here? I see stains on the wall. Oh, it's Saints. It's gonna be Saints, of course. Yeah, it's probably the code for this. Even though it says stains. Can you imagine the Louisiana stains?
I was about to write sands.
Okay, got the ice cream.
Why isn't it like
Gave me the key. Unlocked the boat. Now we can go into the swamp. But I can't reach the craw. Do I have to use my net? Okay, got the net to catch the crawfish. The key, but it's
his boat.
It's the screen with the locked up one.
But there's no. Oh, that's a boat. Oh, that was a frying pan. I didn't realize that was like a motor.
Oh god, this is a color puzzle that I didn't realize before. And oh wait, hang on.
Is that you unlocked it as a color puzzle?
Hang on. So that's like what? That can't be it. Oh wait, it's probably it's orange, red, blue, green, yellow, purple.
Where are you?
In the ice cream shop.
Orange, red, blue, green, yellow, purple.
Yeah. Blue, green, yellow, purple. Nope, that's not right. Was that wrong? No, orange, red, blue, green, yellow, purple. That's the soda machine. It says it right there. Oh, but it has the other way around. So it's purple, yellow, green, blue, red, orange. So purple, yellow, green, blue, red, orange. That's it. You got the broom.
Oh, great, a fucking broom.
Now I can get the key out of the tree, I assume? Yeah. That unlocks the cage, I assume. And, okay, now...
The last crawdad.
Yeah, so that's the last crawdad, or crawfish. Thanks. Hop on board. Out of Louisiana.
Why is he leaving Louisiana?
I don't know. Okay. Who to escape? Maine.
It's the same shit. It's just lobsters and crawdads.
Alrighty. Oh shit! It's this again.
Lock is rusted. I'm gonna pry it open.
Oh god. Look at the guy who's giving us a ride.
I'm like, I haven't found him yet.
Yeah, I'm like looking around.
What the fuck is?
Did you find him?
I don't want that to be a number.
Hang on. I see some fucking shit going on here.
Oh. What should move that?
Okay, shit. So 2 times something. So that's it's still gonna be 3 7 something 376. So is it just 2 376?
Oh, honestly, just something 376.
Yeah.
Check fucking everything. It's 0.
Okay, 0. I guess that makes sense. Found some matches. Burning open. Nope. Okay, keyhole is silver.
There's
No.
a color puzzle I found with flowers.
I don't know if that's actually like, useful for us though.
I'm saying if there is.
Okay, yeah.
What the fuck am I supposed to do with these matches?
I don't know. I'm looking around for something to like do anything with.
I mean, on a single lobster.
Hmm.
You figured out the number.
It's probably just a key like lying around. So, oh, yeah, move one of the rocks in front of the fucking lighthouse or whatever.
In front of the lighthouse?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then there's just oh, okay, this is a color puzzle in here.
How many is this? A lot?
It's 5, so I don't know if that's actually right. If you need help lighting the lighthouse, I need help lighting the lighthouse. Okay, I lit the lighthouse. He gave me a lobster. Move the telescope. Oh, I see square, rhombus, circle, X, triangle.
Could mean anything.
Square, rhombus, circle, X, triangle? I don't know. I haven't seen that type of code in this yet.
The colors. It's definitely the thing outside. The flowers.
Okay, hang on. Square, rhombus, circle, X, triangle.
Is it purple, blue, yellow, red, green?
Is it?
I'm trying it. Yeah, you get a crawfish.
Okay, purple, blue, yellow, red, green. Nice. Okay, now we need to find out how to deal with the rusty one. Find something to pry it open. We also still need the gold key.
Yeah, that's probably where it is. So we have to figure out.
And we yet need that. We need something to get that. The cut the rope. Can we cut it with a lobster? No.
Yes. I have no idea. I'll give him the 2 lobsters I have now, just so he knows we're serious.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh wait, you can move the plus crate and get the gold key.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I moved it. I didn't even see it.
Okay, so this was. Hang on, let me go back to the fucking lighthouse and find it. So it was square, rhombus, circle, X, triangle. Rhombus, circle, X, triangle. And that gets you the knife, which you use on the rope in there. That gets you metal bars. Oh, you can pry open the cage, yeah. And that gets you the last lobster.
Yay, I'm out of Maine.
Alright, out of Maine. All that's left is Maryland, and that's the end of this episode.
Oh, wow. Jesus Christ, there's so much left.
Yeah, it's nuts. This is a stupid idea, but I guess we got to see it through. We're in too deep.
Yeah.
On your way to Washington, D.C., and now you're stuck in Maryland. Okay. Jesus Christ, look at this man.
Yeah. I was doing my Japanese essay at some point. Ice cold milk! There's a milk dispenser!
Where?
Go to the left!
It needs 3 quarters.
I found a quarter in the
Yeah, hang on, wait. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Found another quarter in the bench. Oh, on the bike thing. Up, down, left, right. There, got a screwdriver. What can I use that on? Oh, wait, hang on. Let me go to the left again. Is there anything here? A grill. Another grill. TJ, this is TJ's porta potty. I'm gonna open it with a screwdriver. There's another quarter in there.
Where are you?
Go to the left after the milk machine.
Oh.
Okay, let me.
I got the quarters in the milk.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all 3 quarters in the milk machine. Get the milk. I don't know what that's. Oh, this girl wants something. She's thirsty, and the water fountain won't work. Thanks. I love milk.
Take this ticket to the art museum. Walking track rules. Don't run.
Oh God, there's emojis on the wall.
Why?
Help! Okay, hang on. Well, do I just have to use the quick to work? Because that's just
What the fuck is this puzzle?
blah. That wasn't. Oh shit! You actually need to fucking. It's a color puzzle. Okay, great. Oh my God. Okay, hang on. So 2 is green. 9 is yellow. I faster again. Okay. 4 is purple. 6 is red.
You know, you just stay there and gave it to me.
And 5 is pink. And then 10 is purple, and the last one's 7, right? 7 is blue. Hang on. I'm getting it. I got it. Took the key. Got the basketball. That's how you get the wallet down, I think.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Bold to assume we can make the shot. Damn! That was a half-court shot!
Yeah, that was scary. Anyways, okay, let me pause. Let me stop the recording for now.